Welcome back to Crypto Day, your daily source for the latest crypto news and market updates. Let's dive into today's top stories. Bitcoin has just crossed $65,000, hitting its highest point in the last 3 months. Analysts believe the recent surge is linked to growing optimism around the upcoming Bitcoin ETF approval in the U.S. market. Sentiment is turning bullish, with many predicting Bitcoin could test the $70,000 mark soon. Ethereum developers have confirmed the date for their next major network upgrade, set for October 10th, 2025. The update will focus on reducing transaction fees and improving scalability. Many believe this could drive fresh demand for ETH, which is currently trading at around $3,200. Meanwhile, a major crypto exchange reported a $50 million hack earlier today. The platform has paused withdrawals while they investigate. Experts are once again reminding traders to use cold wallets for long-term storage to stay safe from these security risks. That's it for today's crypto update. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for daily crypto news. See you tomorrow.